Standard 10 Maths Part 1st Unit number 2 Quadratic Equation Practice Set 2.3 Sri Rajendra Jadhav. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about completing square methods examples in practice set 2.3. The third part of quadratic equation unit. First, see it. Example 1 and 5 are solved here. Let's see the next part of practice set 2.3. In this practice set, solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. Second example, x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Third, m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Fourth, 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. And 6 is 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Let's see the example 2. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Write down first the equation in the standard form. This equation is the standard form here. Comparing first two term of left side. Comparing first two term of left side with x square plus 2xy. Then compare two term 2x plus 2xy. Therefore 2xy is equal to 2x. Therefore y is equal to 2x. 2x goes to dividation to right hand side. Therefore y is equal to 2x. 2x cancelling, y is equal to 1, and therefore y square is equal to square of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore x square plus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. Y square is equal to 1. 1 is the adding this equation and subtract 1 on this equation. Therefore write down this equation: x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Here the first three term write down in the square format. The square this term, write down the square root of first term, give the sign of middle term, the square root of third term, square bracket, minus 1 minus minus plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 square minus 1 plus 5, 6 square is equal to 0. 6 write down in 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 square minus 6 write down in this form, in the square root 6 square, square root of 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 0. Here the two term square of subtraction, using this expansion formula, a square minus b square is equal to addition of two term in first bracket and subtraction of two term in second bracket. Write down this formula using this two term x plus 1 plus root 6 and x plus 1 minus root 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 plus root 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 minus root 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 1 minus 1, it goes to root minus 6, or x is equal to minus 1 plus root 6. Here the root of the given quadratic equation. Therefore minus 1 minus root 6 and minus 1 plus root 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. In this way, solve the above example. Next example, third. First write down this example. M square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. This equation write in the standard form of quadratic equation. Minus 3 goes to left hand side. M square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing two term of left hand side, comparing left to side term m square minus 5m with m square minus 2mn. Here the two term middle sign is minus, therefore the comparing with the minus sign term m square minus 2mn. Compare this second term to second term and find out the value of n. Therefore minus 2mn is equal to minus 5m. n is equal to minus 5m upon minus 2m. m cancelling, minus minus plus, n is equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore n square is equal to square of 5 is equal to 25 and square of 2 is equal to 4. Adding this term to two term of left hand side is the perfect square trinomial. Therefore m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore in this equation, adding 25 upon 4 and subtract 25 upon 4, in this write down m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 minus 24 upon 25 upon 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. First three term write down in the square form and second two term write down in the square form. Square root of m sign into middle term and square root of third term 5 upon 2, square root of 25 5 and square root of 4 is equal to bracket square minus 25/4 minus 3 in bracket plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5/2 bracket square minus 25/4 25 4 3 is minus 12/4 is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5/2 square minus 25 minus 12 13/4 is equal to 0. Write down second term in square form. M minus 5/2 square minus square root of 13, write down in square root 13, square root of 4 is equal to 2 bracket square. This two term write down in the square of two term subtraction in expansion formula. Write down first bracket addition and second bracket is a subtraction. Write down these two terms in this form. M minus 5/2 plus root 13/2 second bracket m minus 5/2 minus 13/2 is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5/2 plus root 13/2 is equal to 0, or m minus 5/2 minus root 13/0 is equal to 13/2 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of m is equal to minus 5/2 plus 5/2 minus plus it gives to minus 13/2, or m is equal to plus minus goes to plus 5/2 minus goes to plus 13/2. Therefore m is equal to denominator is same, 5 minus root 13/2, or m is equal to 5 plus root 13/2. Therefore 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. 5 minus root 13/2 and 5 plus root 13/2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. In this example, change comparing with m square minus 5m with m square minus 2mn. Previous example comparing with the plus term to plus term. In this type question solved to above question. Next, fourth example, write down in the standard form of quadratic equation. This example is given in the standard form of quadratic equation. Here the y square coefficient is a 9. It is a convenient to make coefficient of y square as a 1 and then convert the equation as the difference of two square. Therefore dividing the equation by 9. Divide equation by 9 remaining y square minus 12 upon 9y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Comparing two first term of left side, comparing y square minus 12 upon 9y with y square minus 2yz. Here comparing with minus sign because this left hand side two term middle sign is minus, therefore comparing with the minus sign. Comparing this term to this term, therefore write down minus 2yz is equal to minus 12 upon 9 y. Therefore z is equal to minus 12 upon 9 into y into minus 2y goes to dividation, y cancel, minus minus plus, minus minus plus 2 6 12 आणि 12 upon 9, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, therefore z square is equal to square of 2 is equal to 4 and square of 3 is equal to 9. Adding this number, adding this term to this two term and is a perfect square trinomial, therefore y square minus 12 upon 9y plus 4 upon 9 is a perfect square trinomial. In this equation, add 4 upon 9 and subtract 4 upon 9. Therefore, y square minus 12 upon 9 y plus 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Write down these three terms in the square format and these two terms in square format. First three term write down. Given the square root of first term, write down sign in middle term and square root of third term 2 upon 3 bracket square minus 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Therefore y minus 2 upon 3 square minus 4 minus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Write down in the square form y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square minus square root of 2 square root 2 and square root of 9 is equal to 3 bracket square is equal to 0. Square of first term minus square of second term, use the expansion formula. A square minus b square is equal to, adding these two terms in first bracket and subtract two terms in second bracket. Write down this form y minus 2 upon 3 plus root 2 upon 3 and second term y minus 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Therefore y minus 2 upon 3 plus root 2 upon 3 is equal to 0, or y minus 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, here minus 2 upon 3, or y is equal to 2 upon 3 minus plus root 2 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus root 2, here the denominator is same 3, or y is equal to 2 plus root 2 upon 3. Here 2 minus root 2 upon 3 and 2 plus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. 2 minus root 2 upon 3, 2 plus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Next example, see here. First write down this example. 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Write down this equation is in the standard form of quadratic equation. Plus 4x gives to minus 7 is the minus. Here the coefficient of x square term is 5. It is the convenient to make coefficient of x square as 1 and the convert the equation as the difference of 2 square, dividing the equation by 5. Dividing the equation by 5. Therefore 5 goes to 5x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Comparing two terms, of left hand side, x square minus 4 upon 5x with here the minus sign with x square minus 2xy. Then compare these two terms. Minus 2xy is equal to minus 4 upon 5x. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 upon 5x minus 2x. It goes to 1 upon minus 2x. X cancelling, minus minus plus, y is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 upon 5. And therefore square of y square is equal to 4 upon 25. Adding this term in this equation is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 is perfect square trinomial. Add 4 upon 25 on this equation and subtract in this equation. Therefore x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 minus 7 is equal to 7/5 is equal to 0. First three term write down in the square form. Therefore, write down the first term square root, sign on middle term, and the square root of third term 2/5 bracket square minus 4/25 minus 7 plus 7/5 is equal to 0. Equal the denominator of 5/7, x minus 2/5 square minus 4/25 plus multiply 5 5 is 25 and 5 7 is 35 is equal to 0. The denominator are same. X minus 2/5 bracket square minus 4 plus 35 39/25 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2/5 square minus root 39/5 bracket square. Using the expansion formula, we know that a square minus b is equal to addition of two term in one bracket and subtraction of two term in second bracket. Write down in this form: x minus 2/5 plus 3 root 39/5 and second bracket x minus 2/5 minus root 39/5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2/5 plus root 39/5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2/5 minus root 39/5 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to, it goes to right hand side, plus 2/5 minus root 39/5, or x is equal to 2/5 minus goes to plus root 39/5. Here the denominator are same. X is equal to 2 minus root 39/5, or x is equal to 2 plus root 39/5. Therefore, 2 minus root 39/5 and 2 plus root 39/5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Here are the root of given quadratic equation. Hello friends, below are the example for more practice. Solve it and send it to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9850169389. Thanks to all.